read the data sheet. There is nothing more important than reading a data sheet, and we have like stumbled upon that so many times, and our mentor used to tell us that do that, but we quite didn't listen to him at that point. But now that we are over here, and we can really say that please read the data sheet. YouTube tutorials, they really help you, but please like check the source where they're coming from. They would like either help you a lot, or this like it's just like Google Maps, either it will help you a lot or you will just go in circles. So please make sure that you go through trusted sources. And actually, I would like to say that the e-Yantra, the previous whatever the e-Yantra sessions were done, please listen to that too. They are very helpful for business communication or the technical embedded system parts and all that. So please refer to that too. Don't drink water near any hardware. Please just keep it dry as possible. Take care of the little things, that whenever you are doing a connection, please keep your power source very much detached. Like look out for the grounds that we are doing. Like in many of our hardware, which like we just put the ground in the another slot, and that's just very small mistake, but we kept doing it for a long time. So that's why we have to go back to data sheet and all that. So have that pin diagram in the mind from the start whenever you are using the hardware.
Power supply is very important. Like any sensor needs 5 volt and we give 3.3 volt. So it will not work properly and data will not come properly. So we think that our code is having bug and all, but the problem with this one point only. So this is also to be noticed very carefully.
While working with our environmental sensor node, we have also faced many difficulties with the wiring. So we must also take care of the wiring. Like if we are connecting one sensor to one Arduino board or any Arduino board, so we must do it very cleanly. So if हमने उस टाइप से नहीं किया तो sir, it would be a hodgepodge now. So we would not be able to understand it, which wire is going to which pin.
When they provide us different kind of tutorials and all that, if we really learn that all the things that were done in the beginning of this sprint, we can really implement it right now in the finals. So please pay attention to whatever the videos, the long videos, the boring one they are posting. Please watch those. Those are really important. We might think that it's just some person speaking about something for 50 minutes, 1 hour. It's not something really worth in our academics, but it's not true. Now that we are working on it, we can really say that it all has connections to our academics and our project and our sprint. That those are the people you should really listen to. They are really knowledgeable. They have really great expertise in their given field. So please go through that, and only that way you can really overcome the problems that you might face in the endings of your sprints.
My students have that capability, but they don't know how to explore it and how to think it and how they can use their skill for the real time or real market problems. By doing this exercise, they are getting one confidence.
Now we have confidence that अब झुकेगा नहीं.
Before starting this project, they just thinking in a conventional way. They just come, attend lectures, labs, they're getting only technical stuff, and they just move out of this college. But now what happens? They are getting interaction between different students, different peoples, and now their learning method is completely changed. Now they just go to the market, they find out the problems, they discuss on it, and out of that they will find out it's viable or not. And in that problem, how we can connect our skills, how we can use our technical skill in that particular problem, and we can sort out that problem. So that kind of innovative thinking they are getting. So their learning attitude is completely changed.
Till now, you were just thinking you can you can just give your brain to someone. From after this training, you can actually rent someone else's mind to do your job. So that level of thing that really changes in eYIC and our mentor who taught us all the way through over here.
Before participating in this e-Yantra, our knowledge is like a blank paper on which you have just pencil work, like you have drawn one image only. But after participating in this e-Yantra, you have that picture with all colors filled inside it. So that colors are like technologies and knowledge which you are gaining from this project.
We made a dosa, it's nothing else, it's just dosa. But the eYIC really provided how to make it a masala dosa and we can really sell it to the person. So that real extra masala that they provided us was really like huge push to us on how to work on that level.